Good morning, Mohit. How are you?
Good morning, madam.
Good
I'm
morning.
fine.
You're fine? Okay. How is everyone at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, will you start your class with a thought?
Yes. When my brother told us we are not given a good life or a bad life. We are given life. It's up to make it up to use to make it good or bad.
Okay. After that, you say, I repeat.
I repeat, we are not given good life or bad life. We are given life. It's up to us to make it good or bad.
Okay. We are not give a good life. It is up to you whether you make it a good or bad. Like this. Okay. Now, you please tell the meaning of it.
It means that we are giving you a life. It means we are giving life. Your life, it's not a good or bad. It's a, we are only give you a life. It's up to make it a good or a bad.
Yes, we are giving you a life. It is up to you how to make it a good life, or it is if you want to make it a bad life, how will you make it a bad life? Okay, that means it is up to you to make your life a good or bad. Okay, very good. And how do you make your life good? Can you tell me? How do you? Ah.
Study and play games.
Okay, study, play games, taking care of others. Okay, adopting good values. Very good. Very good. Absolutely right. Clap for yourself. Okay. Now, have you written the sentences of past
Yes, ma'am.
indefinite? Okay, please
Yes,
read.
ma'am.
Please read your sentence.
Affirmative sentence. Yesterday girls went to school at 8 a.m.
Pardon, it is not clear to me. Please, फिर से repeat करना.
Yesterday girls went to the school at 8 a.m.
Okay. And the next one.
My brother want to be policeman in future.
Okay, your brother wants to be policeman in future. That is in present tense. We are doing past tense. तो क्या बोलोगे? My brother wanted to be a policeman. फिर in future को काट दो. फिर in future को नहीं लिखना. My brother wanted to be a policeman. Okay. Next one.
In the dance class at 5 p.m.
Repeat.
My sister joined dance class at 5 p.m.
Right. My sister joined dance classes at 5 p.m. Very good. Next one.
Yesterday, my family went to the theater.
Yes, yesterday my family went to somewhere. Okay. Next one.
My cousin want to play Ludo with my brother and me.
So again, is make it wanted. My cousin wanted to play Ludo with me and my brother. These are all affirmative sentences. Now tell me the negative sentences.
Negative sentence. Yesterday, girls did not went to the school at 8 a.m.
Okay, yesterday the girls did not के साथ went नहीं होगा. Did not. First form of verb.
Want.
Did not. अच्छा want बोल रहे हो. मैंने सोचा went बोल रहे हो. Okay. Yesterday the girls did not want to go to school. Okay. Next one.
My brother did not wanted to be policeman in future.
Again did not wanted नहीं होगा. Did not want. My brother did not want to become a policeman. In future काट देना. Past tense में my brother did not want to be a policeman in future. That is okay. Okay, next one. Third sentence.
My sister did not join dance class at 5 p.m.
Okay, my sister did not join dance classes at 5 p.m. Next one.
Yesterday, my family did not went to the theater.
Did not went नहीं होगा. First form of verb.
मैं want
सारे में want ही क्यों लगाया है? कुछ और verb लगाओ ना. Did not go कर दो. Yesterday my family did not go to the theater. Okay, because all of your sentences you have used want. Mostly in every sentence you used want. Use different verbs. Okay. Now interrogative.
your cousin did not wanted to play Ludo with me and your brother.
Again, something is mistake. Just find what mistake you have done.
Ma'am, what is my mistake?
You just try to find your mistake. Once you try to find your mistake,
Ma'am, wanted.
yes, it should be
Want.
Yes. Don't say want, it is want. War. Pronunciation should be want. Okay, next.
Interrogative sentence. Did the girls went to the school at 8 a.m.?
Did the girls want to लिखा है, went लिखा है, क्या लिखा है?
Ma'am, went. I'm sorry, want.
WANT.
Yes, ma'am.
Did the girls want to go to school? Want to go फिर लिखा है ना कि only
Yes, ma'am.
want. Okay, did the girls want to go to school yesterday morning? ऐसा कुछ है ना? Did the girls want to go to school yesterday? Okay, question mark. I hope you have not forgotten to put the
I'm
question
also
mark.
with the question mark.
Okay, now next one. Please give the next sentence.
Did your brother want to be policeman in future?
Did your brother want to be a policeman in future? Okay, next one.
Did your sister join dance class at 5 p.m.?
Did your sister join dance class at 5 p.m.? Right? Absolutely
Did
right.
your family went to the theater yesterday?
Did your family want to theater कैसे होगा बेटा? या तो want to go to करो या लिखो
Ma'am, went.
went तो फिर did के साथ went कैसे आ गया? How you have used went with did? Did के साथ आपको first form लगाना है ना? Did your
Your family go to the theater yesterday?
Yes. Did your family go to the theater yesterday? Very good. Now interrogative negative.
No, ma'am, one sentence is left.
Okay, please.
Did your cousin want to play Ludo with your brother and me?
Okay. Did your cousin want to play Ludo with your brother and me? Okay, right. But next time when you will write, don't use same verb in every sentence. Okay, verb should be changed. Okay. Now,
Interrogative negative.
very good.
Did the girls not go to school yesterday at
Yes.
8 a.m.?
Yes. Did the girls not go to school yesterday at 8 a.m.? Question mark. Next one.
Did your brother not want to be policeman in future?
Okay. Did your brother not want to become a policeman in future? Question mark. Third one.
Did your sister not join dance class at 5 p.m.?
Did your sister not join dance classes at 5 p.m.? Question mark. Right. Next one.
Did your family not go to the theater yesterday?
Did your family not go to the theater yesterday? Question mark. Next one.
Did your cousin not want to play Ludo with your brother and me?
Okay. Did your cousin not want to play Ludo with me and my brother? Okay. Very good. This is all about past indefinite, or it is the other name is simple past. Okay.
Yes.
Now it is clear to you. I
Yes.
hope it is clear to you. Now put the heading as past continuous, or it is also called past progressive.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
You know, first you put the heading. We should practice. If you know it is better, it is good, but we should practice. Past continuous, or it is also called past progressive.
Ma'am, I have also a small chart of tense.
Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, first you write
But
quickly.
it's not clear.
Okay, first you write quickly. Past continuous.
Past continuous.
Past continuous slash past progressive. Both are same.
Yes, ma'am, I did it.
Okay. Now write. Tell me a sentence in past continuous.
They were playing with us.
They were playing with us. Please write it down.
मैम जो आपने लिखवाए थे पहले वाले में वो सिंपल है.
हाँ,
वो सिंपल है.
सिंपल थे. सिंपल का दूसरा नाम क्या है? इंडेफिनिट. नाउ राइट दे वर प्लेइंग विथ अस. लिख लिया?
मैम yes, ma'am.
Now can you tell me the formula of it?
Ma'am, was were first form of verb plus ing.
Okay, तो सबसे पहले क्या होगा? What will be the first
Subject.
subject? Please write.
Subject plus was were.
Please write subject plus was slash were. Subject plus was slash were plus first form of verb
Plus object plus ing.
नहीं, ऑब्जेक्ट बाद में आएगा. प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब हैव यू रिटन.
Yes, ma'am.
आफ्टर दैट प्लस ing, then
Plus object.
plus object. Yes. So your formula is subject plus was or were plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Now write 4 more sentences on this pattern.
Ma'am, they was going to tuition yesterday.
They was. Why they is plural? With plural, we use was or were. Which one we use?
Ma'am,
They.
what we use with was.
They is plural. तो plural के साथ क्या यूज होता है? Was या were?
Ma'am, were.
Were. So they were going to the tuition yesterday. They were going to the tuition yesterday. What is the spelling of tuition? What is the spelling you have written for tuition?
Ma'am, Tuition.
Tuition. Okay? Now next sentence. Give another sentence, but don't use they. Use something else. You can take a name, you can write he, she, you can write my mother, father, you can write my grandparents, whatever you want.
He was playing alone.
He was playing alone. Very good. Absolutely right. Write it down. He was playing alone. Now, fourth sentence. You have written 3 sentences. Now, please write
Yes,
fourth
ma'am.
sentence. Fourth sentence.
Your sister going to dance class.
Your sister were, which you have not used anything.
Sir, your sister was going to dance class.
Yes, but it is not a question mark. So your sister was going to the dance class. Your sister was going to the dance class.
I'm done.
Okay, I think 4 sentences are complete, na?
Yes,
Now
ma'am,
write
one
one more.
sentence.
One more sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Raju and Rahim was studying together.
Raju and Rahim, there are 2. So
Yes.
it will be
Were.
were. Raju and Rahim were studying together. Very good.
I'm done.
Done? Okay. Now change these sentences into negative. These are all affirmative. Okay. Past continuous affirmative sentences in past continuous tense. Now you have to write negative. Make these sentences negative.
Negative.
You have to put not.
They were not playing with us.
Yes, they were not playing with us. Very good. Next one.
Can I drink water?
Yes, please.
I'm writing them for sentence.
Okay. Now read the second one.
Ma'am, then I have to write a role for this, ma'am.
You have to write a
Rule,
what?
ma'am.
Rule.
Negative rule.
Yes, obviously. Very good. Yes. What will be the formula? It is not called, it is not rule, it is called formula. Yes. Please, tell me the formula.
Ma'am, subject plus not plus was verb plus first form of verb plus ing plus object.
Okay, everything is right, but not will not come first. First you will write was were, then you will write not. Just read the sentence. First you read your sentence.
Remember that written they were not playing with us.
They were. So they is subject, write subject. First you write subject plus
Ma'am,
was or were.
ma'am, subject is not.
नहीं बेटा, सब्जेक्ट तो दे है ना, दे इज सब्जेक्ट. दे वर नॉट प्लेइंग फुटबॉल, ये लिखा है ना तुमने.
Sorry.
दे इज सब्जेक्ट
Yes, ma'am.
Plus-
subject plus was verb plus not plus first form of verb plus ing plus object.
वेरी गुड, एब्सोल्युटली राइट, एब्सोल्युटली राइट. प्लीज.
My readers.
Okay, now write, make second sentence negative.
They were not going to tuition yesterday.
They were not going to tuition yesterday.
He was not playing alone.
He was,
Not playing alone.
okay, he was not playing alone, right?
Your sister was not going to dance class.
Your sister was not going to the dance class. Absolutely right.